Hello, my name is Iman Purdad in University Jahad Daneshgai Kermanshah branch, and my field electronics. I have researching in RF microwave circuit. This research, me and Dr. Maki, we together in the research and write to paper about title research in the waveguide Duplexer bandpass filter with ability to dual band and improve S11 parameter and reduce delay time in the telecommunication receiver and transmitter for GSM 4G radars. Next page. The description of summary in the purpose research about device is waveguide Duplexer model with configuration bandpass filter and determiner cutoff frequency in dual band in wideband frequency about 1 to 6 gigahertz. Duplexer has a structure used as cylinder geometry model with regular dimension and distance in the geometry in bandpass filter and BPF or bandpass filter configuration in E-plan and H-plan. The creation for it creation to dual band for cutoff frequency with resonance box. A resonance box has been cut off for wideband frequency and the creation with the space dimension and distance set on the cylinder in subspheric BPF. It creates a geometric circular cylinder and the magnetic bags in the resonance to resonator filter in GSM 4G to making dual bands. And another to design for purpose in improved signal return loss and reduced time delay. The application is device in the for suggestions me for complex transmission, wave full, and races, iterations, and deviations in signal. With it has 4G GSM telecommunication and used to radar industry and optical device. It simulates in the CST microwave series software. This page in purpose with wave Duplexer in the page. The next page, schematic in inner purpose model. The inner Duplexer has internal configuration double resonance for cutoff frequency in bands. Wideband frequency in 1 to 6 gigahertz and two bands in one bands with resonance box filter on set substrate filter and two box in resonance box in set on band filters, and to making in cutoff frequency and creation in dual band. The substrate in configuration bandpass filter, the geometric via the regular cylinder integrated and configurations in bandpass filters. The all of configuration with two waveguide duplexer in bandpass filter ability to dual bands. The next page the result in simulation for frequency response waveguide duplexer in the dual band frequency in the 1 to 6 gigahertz. The technique for improve frequency response and improve signal isolation ports and reduce to time delay have been techniques to perform in the use to simulate in configuration the cylinder geometry. Its substrate creation is has performed use step impedance matching, the technique to improve to reduce in resonance internal configurate bandpass filter and lows the noise in the internal circular cavity. To in similar to iteration the travel signal because the step impedance the high improve technique for this problem. Also the rectangular geometry of the waveguide is used in a uniform structure and configuration. The transceivers circular cylinder to create a matching connection of the filter in the resonator network, and the resonance box onset the substrate bandpass filter to making in the band cutoff frequency. So according to the description of the performances of the proposed waveguide duplexer design and use integrated techniques, the high quality travel signal. The simulation result obtained to reduce and the return loss signal S11 parameters in category scattering parameter to improve to signal filter in wideband frequency and improve to S21 and S3 for dual bands in parameter frequency response. So the improve the reduce in time delay is a high quality for transduce signal and travel signal in the on substrate filter. The material configuration wave duplexer has the aluminum material is good to travel signal and low iteration and the best good to transfer signal in the device radars. So next page in result simulation to signal isolation. Every ports in Waveguide Duplexer, the parameter is improved to high isolation ports and good transfer signal in the substrate to every port and divider in the one port between import or output signal and divide to every port and high quality in transfer. The signal isolation parameter have includes in S12 and S13 is a category scattering parameter. Okay, thank you so much and this lecture the listening for me. Thank you.